where football really matters. There is a healthy tension, great expectation building in the lead-up to kick-off here. A little bit grey overhead, and indeed the forecast is for a drop or two of rain as the day grows older. But regardless of that, there is a lovely backdrop here. The ambience is good, smashing noise from both sets of supporters, and expectations high in both camps. Has a pop! A real chance and a real let-off. Got a shot away! Can't get the better of his opposite number.
Bradford have made it clear what they're trying to do for me, Peter.
What are they? Has a hit! It's off target and by quite a way.
Do I really need to tell you, Peter, that he has to do better, especially from there?
Cabano. Tom! A great save, real. And the whistle goes for half-time. So neither team has broken through. It's a tight, cagey game. Neither team any further forward than they were when they started out. We're promptly into the second 45 minutes. So deadlock still as the second half begins. Towering header! He's done well to get his head on that, but couldn't score.
I have to commend the wing play, but I have to condemn the defending. They've got to stop the cross.
Drives it forward. He's found his man, and he's on his way. Has a pop! Oh, yes, it's there! And that's got to be it! That has got to be it!
Yeah, looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning. We can't be too presumptuous yet.
Well, the ball's come loose, and the chase is on. And that's that. Huddersfield, hold on. It's a narrow squeak, bit of luck.